4-day work week has really impacted my life because I've been able to spend more time with the people that I love and care about.
The 4-day work week has given me the opportunity to spend an extra day a week with my newly born son, which is a luxury that most people are not afforded.
One of my favourite memories at Administrate is when we shipped several features that allowed one of our customers to integrate 2 of their systems together and basically streamline their whole operations.
Customer success story that comes to mind for me is implementation with a client that's engaged directly in supporting the pandemic response. We had to bring a team together and move way faster than was the norm for us so that this client could go live and support real people and their health concerns.
One of my favorite memories of helping a customer is more recently I was able to work very closely with them, develop a plan to transition their operations team onto a new part of the platform. Delivered a lot of value and saved them a lot of time.
There is no way we could have done those projects without a system like Administrate. We would have had an army of people and an army of spreadsheets if we were to try and do it.
I have this dream, right? This is my dream. And that is, we want, and this is our shared dream at Administrate, we want to build the ultimate human organization.
The ultimate human organization to me means an organization that really looks after its people and puts it first. And for me, Administrate really embodies that.
It's acceptance of everyone, it's you're not drones working for a company, and it's a work-life balance that gives you freedom to do the things you want to do outside of work.
A place where people come first, where they feel valued and they have room to use their skills and strengths, but also room to grow and develop further.
In the recent situation with the pandemic, and we were all trying to figure out what it meant to us, I was very excited and pleased to find that our leadership was extremely supportive, extremely transparent. It wasn't always good news, but we could trust them to support us and care about us and our well-being.
When I started working remotely, I was worried a bit about the isolation. As a software engineer, sometimes you have to face complex problems. But luckily at Administrate, there's always someone ready to help, someone you can talk some issue through, solve a problem together.
We all understand that employees might have children or dogs, and there might be interruptions during Zoom calls, and we all are there for each other. There's some comfort knowing that we're in this together.